Ever stand in front of mirror staring at your hair and thinking, Lord, not today? Maybe you woke up late, maybe your plans changed, or maybe you just wanted something neat, quick, and beautiful without fighting with your hair or adding a single extension. Yeah, I've been there too many times. There is something powerful about simple hairstyle that will still turn head. Something about pulling your natural hair into a bun. No drama, no fake hair, no realizing, wait, I actually look good. Today, I want to show you that simplicity can be stunning. We are creating a sleek, natural bun, no extension, no stress, just your own hair doing what it does best, smiling. Growing up, I used to think you needed long, thick extensions before you could look put together. Every time I saw a woman with perfect bun, I thought, she must have used she must have used some tricks. But I was wrong. Our natural hair, in all its glory, can do magic on its own. All it needs is patience, a bit of moisture, and the right touch of confidence. So today, whether your hair is thick, coily, 4C, 3B, or somewhere in between, this video is for you. Because guess what? You don't need more. You just need to understand what you already have. Not with fancy products or expensive serums, just plain water. I always say dry hair and sleek buns don't mix. So spray some water, just enough to soften it. You will feel it comes alive, the coils getting a bit looser and strands saying thank you. Next, apply your favorite leave-in conditioner or a little coconut oil, shea butter, whatever you love. This is just about styling, it's about care, because every time you touch your hair you are sending a message, either I love you or I'm rushing you. Today we are choosing love. Now take your brush and gently repeat, gently start brushing your hair towards, and you will see transform right before your eyes. So I quickly slid in my bun donut into my hair. Can you just see how that middle part is turning? It's stunning and beautiful, trust me. So the next thing I do, I move ahead to twist, roll the residue of the hair that was left. So I roll it and I would tucked it into the hair. As you can see, just keep on watching. But yes, that is it. Sometimes the simplest things brings the biggest results. Gather your hair into a ponytail, low, high, or mid, depending on your mood. I love a low bun. It gives that soft, graceful vibe, like a woman who knows her worth and doesn't need to shout about it. Now twist, not too tight, like I said, not too loose. Don't mind our dog, okay? Just enough to create that rope-like pattern. Keep twisting it till you feel the end, roll it around the base, tucked in softly, and pin. Okay, if you're using bobby pins, tuck them in a way that it feels secured but not painful. We are not going for tight headache bun. We are going for I'm comfortable, confident, and cute. For the record, I want to go for a wedding, so that is why I'm wearing this simple bun on my hair. So for the front part, since I realized that my hair is so stubborn to lay flat on the head, so I move ahead to use a gel to rub it in and make it smooth. And like I earlier told you on this channel that I'm not good with edges. You people that are so good with edges, do not crucify me, okay? I'm just trying my best to see what I can do. If I needed to go for a class lessons on edges, I think that would be better, because I am so bad with edges, and you just need a moment with yourself and your crown. So but my edges, that is not me. So this is the end result. But wait, not that, not all that end. I'll use this to rub it in, to smoothen it, to make it look that girl, I am here for you. This is the part I always love, that tiny smile that creeps up as you look at the result and say, wait, is this really my hair? Yes, Queen, it is 100% yours. There was a time I didn't love my hair. Every shrinkage felt like betrayal. Every frizz felt like a failure. I would watch videos of women with long, straight hair and think maybe mine just isn't beautiful. Until one day I decided to stop fighting it. I put away the wigs and the waves, the heat tools just for a while. I sat in front of mirror, water bottles, and one hand leaving in conditioning and the other, and said, okay, let's start over again. That day I realized something. My hair wasn't the problem, my mindset was, because natural hair is not meant to be tamed, it's meant to be understood. That day was the beginning of everything, and now here we are making simple bond that feels like a quiet celebration of how far I've come. Oh wow. Age, worked, and detangling. Now back to our bond. This part is my favorite, the edges, but then I don't know how to lay it. Okay, please don't come for me. Take your edge brush or a tiny toothbrush, add a little gel, and gently swirl those baby hairs. Don't overdo it, just let them frame your face softly. Edges can change everything. They are like jewelry for your hairline. Exactly, but not mine because I don't know how to lay them. But remember, it's not about perfection, it's about personality. Okay, your edges don't need to look like anyone else. Just your journey doesn't need to look like anyone else. So now let's be real. Social media can make us forget about beauty, simplicity, beauty of simplicity. Everywhere you look, someone's selling the next miracle hair product or a 10-step natural tutorial that feels like a workout. Okay, but today we are showing down. Sometimes all your hair needs is time, care, a little creativity. I always say your hair doesn't grow when you stress it, it grows when you love it. And this simple bond, it's one way to love your hair gently. So move ahead to brush that eyebrow. Okay, now so we're gradually coming to a wrap, and this must be the final look. Like I said, edges, it's not my thing really, but I love to lay them. Like I said, maybe I have to go for a class to practice how to do this, but then okay. If you've been doubting yourself, thinking your hair can't look slick without extension, this is your sign where enough, your hair is enough. Whether you wear on type 4C, 4B, 3B, whatever, love your hair just the way you love yourself. And bit by bit, it will look just the way you want it or you've ever imagined hairs to be. So this is the final look of this bun. I hope you like it, and I hope you do. I hope you would like to try that on your hair without extensions. Every strand on your hair tells a story of growth, resilience, culture, and of pride. And today your bun is speaking volumes that makes a statement wherever you appear. So this is it, but I can't let it go. I can't let go of that. Still trying to see how the edges will turn out to be. Your edges is your edges, do not mind other people's edges. So yes, we're gonna beautify this with some small paints, as you can see. Yep, how is it turning? Hope you like this already. So this is the final look of this. You can use other paints as you desire, but this is the final look of this. And the bobby pins, I really don't like how it appeared, but then I think it's still fine. Yep. So how do you see this? Is this giving, or you would just pass? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my video, like the video and share if you can. I'll see you all.